What are you doing, Ryan? You gonna get a bee?
Yeah.
You should do it slow. What are you trying to do?
Get a bee.
How's that working out for you?
Pretty good.
Are you scared of the bees?
No. The bees are kind of cool.
Bees are very cool. Kind of flatten your finger out a little bit so they can get on it.
Like this.
Yeah, you have to wait till one comes up and kind of.
Look at him.
There he goes.
He's right there. Why aren't they getting on there? Why aren't they getting on me?
Yeah, be still. He's fixing to get on. Looks like they don't want to go for a ride today.
I know. None of them are trying to get on me. And they're tickling me. I'm tickled. Look at him. He's trying to get on me. Look, he's on me.
Oh, you got him. There you go. So you got you a bee on your finger.
Yeah.
You scared of him?
No, he's pretty cool. And he
They are.
tickles, too.
Mm-hmm.
He's a cool little critter.
So you gotta be a beekeeper, huh?
Yeah. Beekeepers are the coolest.
You ready for the honey?
Yeah.
Are you brave?
Yeah.
You don't want to wear your bee suit anymore?
I don't want to wear my bee suit anymore.
Okay. What about when you get stung?
Not even when I get stung.
Okay. We'll see how that works.